Zavardy Official. Click here to subscribe. Hey guys, this is Zavardy, and in this video, I'll show you how easy to assemble this gaming chair. Actually, I bought this gaming chair on a local store near our place. It cost only 2,600. And these are the parts of the gaming chair. Sit on the chair and turn a few times to tighten it after the chair is installed. It's all set. Gaming chair is now ready to use. It's time to say goodbye to this old plastic chair which was used for almost a decade. And welcome to my new gaming chair. It's more comfortable and relaxing to sit while on work or on gaming. Oops, I think someone is much more excited to use this chair. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. And if you're looking for more affordable computer parts and accessories, click these videos.